How to use masks. Experts emphasize reusable mask reusable after treatment. At-home mask should be washed with soap or detergent. Then treating with a steam generator. Or iron with the steam function. After processing, the mask should not stay wet, so in the end it must be ironed with a hot iron without steam function. The mask is designed to hold a drop of moisture formed during coughing and sneezing. These droplets may contain dangerous viruses causing respiratory problems. But experts stress that the mask is only effective in combination with other prevention methods. Avoiding contact. Frequent hand washing. Disinfection of objects. Despite the fact that the need of their use of various different groups of people and in different situations. First, masks are used for those already infected, as they hold the greater part of the saliva coughing or sneezing person. That is, it reduces the risk of infection of others. Also, the mask should be worn by people providing care to ill and caring for them. If a person is healthy, but he needs to visit a public place or to use public transport, the mask is necessary. Experts emphasize that after 2 or 3 hours of constant use, the mask needs to be changed. Disposable medical masks non-woven material cannot be reused and any treatment. Dispose of used mask, being placed in a sealed package. For this day we hope that we have succeeded by giving you the full details and information. You can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you.